Well, hey y'all. How's everybody doing? I am going to do a makeup tutorial with a palette that I've bought but I haven't used in a while. Like I have all these other palettes that I've set aside. Actually, two. One is also for the cheeks because this is an eye palette and it's Thrive Causemetics. And I really like this, and I don't know why I have good palettes and then I put them down. I don't know. I don't know why. Okay. How y'all doing? Y'all doing okay? I'm going to talk about a lot of stuff today. I can just tell. It's coming. Oh, you know what? I'll use my new Kylie lipstick. And I'm going to use an old, gosh, I don't even know how much I even used this. And it was so sought after. It was the Ambient Hourglass cheek palette. Why do we just do that? Or either I could use the Cheekathon. Do y'all remember? I used to use this all the time. All the time. The Cheekathon. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I know why I stopped using that. I ran out. I hit pan. I did not run out, so I don't know why. Maybe we do a little of both. Okay, so let's start off with a nice, wonderful. I'm going to show you all a couple of empties that I'm in love with too. My little Shine Brightly cup. Are y'all shining brightly with your lives? I hope you are. Ah, it's so good. Y'all, that's one of the things I wanted to share with y'all. I'm doing half decaf, half calf now. I usually have 1 cup of calf. And if I even have a second cup, it's always got to be decaf. But this is calf. And it came in a little blue box. I should have kept the blue box to show y'all. But this is Kauai Garden Isle. And it is a medium roast. You get 12 coffee pods. And what I mean by coffee pods, because they come in this, it keeps it fresher. See this little seal thing that lets some air, so it doesn't. First of all, don't ever put your coffee in the refrigerator. People used to say, put it in a Tupperware and put it in the refrigerator. No, that creates moisture, which causes mold. You don't want to ever put coffee in the refrigerator. Put it in the. Have you ever noticed that when you get your 4 little canisters for the countertop, it'll say flour, sugar, coffee, tea? That's because you should always keep it at room temp. But anyway, this is one of those responsible pods. Not so much plastic for recycling. And I bet this is recycled. But this is what it looks like. That's what the color of the box looked like as well. And it's Kauai Garden Isle is the name of this one. And y'all, it is so good. It is so fresh. I just love it. I think there's a dog hair. I'm sure that y'all noticed that when I put my fingers up there. And it won't come off. Why won't this dog hair come off? I must have a little cut in my nail and it's stuck in it. I've noticed that. I took the, by the way, Cherie McGinnis, I think it was you that asked me, or who was it? Was it you, Marcia? Was asking me how, what did I mean when I said that I put my nail polish on over gel? Well, this is my gel. Okay, I'm trying to make a background so it'll focus better. This is my gel, and this, I had a new set done, and we did pearlized on the French white, or kind of a glitter sparkle. It's not actually pearlized on the French white part. That's this white part. This is called French white, where it's your skin there, and then white tips are put on. American is when it's not so white. It's more like a cream color. This is a white color, but the reason it may look a little more creamy this time is because I put the glitter in there. Now, because I did new nails, I also did glue because they put tips on with glue. And I have had a reaction. You can't really see it anymore, but it's not happy. My fingers are not happy. And this may be the last of my long nails for a long time. Maybe ever. They're kind of out of style, but I like long nails. Whenever I do a new set, I like long nails. I just noticed my earring is swinging like crazy. And I think I told you about this, but these are Kendra Scott's, and I just fell in love with it. I like a big loop that doesn't go this way, because my ears, if you'll notice, they don't do forward like most people's like that. They're very pinned to the side of my head, which can be pretty, but not for earrings. So I like these kind that swing so that you can actually see them occasionally, but it has an opal on the bottom. I don't know if it's a real opal or not, but real opals are a fortune now. They used to be like not even semi-precious, or were they semi-precious? Anyway, there's, diamonds, sapphires, rubies, emeralds. That's one section. And then all the birthstones, of which opals are one. But they're very little temperamental guys. They are, I should say gals. They are, you can't even get your body oil on them. Like, you have to be so careful with opals. But anyway, I thought these were very pretty and they could go all summer. So, spring, summer, so I got them. But anyway, I was telling you about my nails. This is the second time I started talking about nails, and then I got off the subject. This is about the 400th billionth time that I started talking about something and got off the subject. But anyway, so what I would do now is say put this color and paint it over this. If y'all would like to have a nail polish tutorial, comment below, and I'll do this on film. But anyway, so you paint over this, and because these nails are set with acetone, like when they are finished, they do a little cotton ball of fingernail polish remover, and they do over it, and it sets them. So if you paint over it, it's fine. You've got a nice, very smooth surface for painting, for one thing. But if I want to take it off, I just use that same cotton ball and take it off, and it's right back to this underneath because it was set with that. So I can always go back to this. Like I just took off the, what do I have on? That baby pink, that Essie baby pink. And before that, remember, I had this, which was the Kinder Scott. And now I want to do this kind of coral. It's actually called coral, I think. Yeah, bright coral. I want to put that on. So let me know if you want to be there as I put them on. All right, so I showed you this wonderful coffee. I got it at Kroger, so you can get it. Again, it's Kauai, K-A-U-A-I, and it's the Garden Isle Medium. And they come in the little pods, which will work just fine in your Keurig coffee maker, because it just, you literally sit it down in there. It still punches the top. It still gets what it needs out of it. It's fine. I ran out of a couple things this week, which was really annoying. One, this great hairspray, which I love. I don't know how healthy any hairspray is for you because of the alcohol in it. It does dry your hair out, but this one just works so good, and it doesn't cause dandruff, which means it doesn't have that much alcohol in it. Because if you get enough alcohol on me, my skin's so dry, I'll look like I have a little ice right here, because my skin will get so dry, it'll be a little white cap right there. I just, dry skin. This doesn't do that, so I feel like it's a good hairspray. It's Paul Sebastian. Is it Paul? Professional Sebastian Shaper Plus. So it's not the regular Sebastian Shaper Plus. I mean, Sebastian Shaper. It's Shaper Plus. How's that? And this is Paul Sebastian, I believe. Where's his name? Why do they make it so stinking hard to find their name on the back? I don't see it, but Sebastian's Paul Sebastian. But, it says it's only guaranteed when sold in a salon, and the parent company, the distribution company is the Wella Corporation. Sebastian Professional is the name of this. But I thought it was Paul Sebastian. Anyway, don't worry about what it was. What it is now is Professional Sebastian. You can get this at the grocery store. It's about $20. But it is leaner. It's not the big wide one, so it's probably the same amount. This is 10.6 ounces. I think I got this on sale too. Watch for it. Some drugstores put it on sale too. So that's one thing I'm out of that I'm not happy about. And the other one is I got one more of these. Got to head to the store because nothing gets your makeup off like the Neutrogena Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes. And the one that is blue, and it also says even waterproof makeup right there. That's the one you want, because they have more than one kind. And they often sell a 2-pack of these, and you save like $1. I think it's $1, or almost $1, by getting, because you're going to get 2 packs anyway, so go ahead and get the 2-pack. Okay, and then one more thing that has nothing to do with anything. I finally found a candle that I've been searching for forever. Couldn't find it, and it's by the Tyler, Tyler, candle company, and the name of this one is Abundance. And this cute little boutique called Southern Accents. I love their boutique. It's like, like a Hallmark shop or something like that. It's a nice little shop. And it's a boutique-y place, and they're going out of business because the rent is so high. And it's just so awful to see so many little businesses get run off by these companies that buy up these shopping center strip malls where you have all these little type boutiques, and they keep it so high they just can't stay in business. I've watched boutique after boutique say I can't make money here. And they handle the high-end lines like Kendra Scott or Brighton, or what's the one with all the soft material handbags and wallets? It's usually paisley prints or real pretty prints. I can't think of the name of it. But some of them are higher end that you're used to paying for, and the reason is because there's a significant margin. I do not mind paying that, because it's just like when you buy Mary Kay or Pampered Chef, or these things that women sell so that they can work from home, be with their family when their kids come home and stuff like that. I'm all for doing that, and people are like, it's so expensive. It's like, yes, that's because there's a huge margin in there. Part is for the company and part is for the person making it. That's how they're staying in business. So when I can afford it, I like to give significant orders to smaller businesses or people who are working from home with those kind of companies that, yes, they do cost more, but the whole reason is they're known for quality. Usually whatever they're selling is known for higher quality, but also because they have a margin built in for that person to make a living. So anyway, they're going out of, look at this, it says tester. She sold me the tester because it was the only one left, and it's abundance. And she says they're retiring it from the line. Sometimes I wish we had smell video. If I could come up with that, I could be a billionaire. So all you little young people who know how to do stuff, go make a smart smell video. This smells so good. I want to just put it right in the camera and see if you can smell it. It looks like it's been there a while. Now, it is a tester because it's beaded up on top, which meant at some point this got warm and remelted. And you can also see the darker center, but that's okay. Once that burns off, it'll be right back. And it smells like it's supposed to. I love this. Tyler Abundance. If you want to get it, you better go ahead and go to Tyler Candle Company, I would imagine.com, or at least you could Google that. And get it, because they're retiring it if you want to smell it. Okay. Where's my face? I need to put my face on. Where's my coffee? I need to drink coffee with you. All right. I have to. I know you older ladies like me just are like, did she seriously? Did she just slurp? Yes.